Hi friends, this is the auspicious time of Ramzan and for Buddhists it's time for Haleem. I know due to the lockdown, unfortunately this time many of you may not be able to enjoy the taste of Haleem. But today I'll help you with a homemade tasty Haleem recipe. So let's learn the recipe today. So the list of ingredients that you need for preparing a veg Haleem are first whole wheat, and then oats, and then soya, and then chana dal, and moong dal, urad dal, almonds, masoor dal, pista, cashews, sesame seeds, mint, coriander, whole spices. Here I have taken shahi zira, nutmeg, pepper, cinnamon, star flower. This is nutmeg again, clove, and this biryani flour. Next, fried onions and green chilies. So I have soaked whole wheat for about 12 hours. So you have to soak them for 12 hours and then boil them. If your whole oats are not available, you can also use broken wheat, that is also called as dalia. And also I have soaked all kinds of dals. So I have soaked for about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, I have added all the dals in a pressure cooker and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. As you all can see, the dal is boiled completely. Now make a fine paste on. So now you can see a smooth paste of dal is ready. Now we need to cook the soaked wheat. So I have added it to the pressure cooker and let's put it for pressure cooking. So meanwhile, as the whole wheat will be cooking over there, so meanwhile we'll dry roast the other ingredients. Let's start. Add almond, cashews, pista, sesame seeds, oats, and all of this.
Dry roast.
So dry roast all of these ingredients. Make a fine powder of the dry roasted ingredients. So as you all can see, the wheat is boiled completely. Now make a smooth paste of this. As the oil is heated, you start adding each spices. So I am adding shahi jeera, pepper, nutmeg, peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon, star flour, and the biryani flour. So I've added all the spices. Add fried onions a little. Add green chilies. Next add the whole mint. Add little ginger garlic paste. Now next let's add the dry roasted powder. So add the entire powder. Fry it a little. Let's add little water. So add a nearly half a liter of water. Add the dal, boil the dal paste. Mix it nicely, stir it. Also add the wheat paste, the paste of the whole wheat. For chicken lovers, you can use lean cuts of chicken like breast pieces, boil it for 4 to 5 whistles and add it here to the mixture and cook it further. So you need to stir it continuously. As you can see. So you need to maintain the low to medium heat flame, and you need to stir it. Cook it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, so that it becomes nice smooth texture. To this, add salt and keep stirring. After 45 minutes of cooking, you can see our haleem is done almost. To this, add little ghee for taste. You all can see the healthy and tasty haleem is ready. Take it into a plate, serving plate, and serve it hot. Healthy and tasty haleem is ready. This veg haleem is not only delicious but also nutritious. It is packed with high proteins in it, as we are using different varieties of dal. Also, we are using methods of soaking and boiling, which helps in reducing the phytate contents in dal and making all the essential nutrients available for easy absorption. As we are using whole wheats and oats in this recipe, making this recipe highly rich in fiber. This is a good replacement for people who are looking for a cheat meal. Thanks for watching video. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section and I'll reach you with the answers. Like, share and subscribe my channel.